Okay, so welcome everyone. The brand Sonos, they are partnering with IKEA. They are releasing a wall art speaker by this summer, by the summer. The speaker is a very affordable speaker. They kind of upgrading their stylish lamp speaker that they launched last year, and they are trying to bring you something reasonably affordable but stylish in its look as well. Now the thing here is that the date for its full release hasn't been announced, but it's a partnership. The collaboration between Sonos and IKEA. They have been really working on this budget wireless speaker line for some time now. So this one is a wall art speaker that can be kept out of plain sight. It's very kind of like stealth like in its design and look. So you will enjoy having it in your room. The thing here is that the name or the official name for the speaker hasn't been announced. It's been teased that it could be called. It's been teased that it could be called the Titan, but for now, it's not yet been confirmed. So basically, I will only just keep an eye out for that. If once the name does come out, I'll be sure to announce that again. But for now, this is what you can expect for now. Just look at uh, just wait for more confirmation. Once something does come out, I'll be sure to bring that news to you guys. But for now, do subscribe to our channel, do like our content, do follow on social media. I'm going to see you guys next time.